Hello, can sir listen to you or not? Can ah? Can I continue ah?
Hello.
Current question. So we choose set total number of questions. Then we set answer. Set the answer. So the set is set. So set total number of questions. Total correct answer. Then total wrong answer. Then set current answer. Then set answer. Then we set the current answer to 1. Start with question 1. We choose one by one. Put to this side. 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 Then we, let's say, set how many questions you want to set. Total number of questions ask you. How many questions you want to set? Let's say you want to set 10 questions. So we have to do this loop 10 times. So you go to control. You repeat here. Repeat total number. Repeat total number is repeat this one. Repeat total number. Total number of questions. Total number of questions. Here. Then you any number, add two number, so you go to set. Set number. Set number to any random. You pick number to 1 to 100. Then set number 1. Then you make a variable. You make variable number 1. Yeah, another number 2. So this one number 1. Then repeat for number 2. Like this, duplicate number 2. Then you set answer to operator is addition. Go to addition here. Take addition to here. And take answer number 1. Number 1 which is 1 to 100. Any. Then number 2. Then you ask them what you perform. Ask. You perform asking. Ask. Then join. Join. You want to say calculate, ask them to calculate. Calculate. Then you join. Calculate number 1. Calculate number 1. Number 1. Then plus. Plus. Join. Again. Join again. Plus. Join. Join again. Number 2. Number 2. Join number 2. Equals to what? Equals to what? Equals to, if you try to run this one, you save sometimes until you save somewhere else. Save as. A quiz with what? Addition. So like we try run. You try run it. Try to run it. So we run this button run. So each correct answer is 2 marks. Give total number of questions in this quiz. Let's say 2 questions. Then we enter. 2 questions. So we repeat. Total number of questions to this one to answer the question. Total number of questions to answer to this answer. So we save it. We run it. Again, each could debug it. This total number of questions is 2 marks. And we enter. Calculate. So this is about 31 for answer. Let's say if come to here, we join until here, like this part. So our program until stop here, until this part. Until here is correct already. So number 27, 31 is 58. The answer is correct. So until this part we have done correct. Now we are asking, join already, do the calculation already. Then we want to check whether answer is correct or not correct. So we need to do else statement, conditional statement. If else, go to if else. If else here. If operator is answer, go if sensing answer this ask, then answer equals to this answer, whatever. This answer is answer correct. It means correct. You want to what? Change the what? Change the correct answer, total number of total correct answer. Total correct answer, take for me correct answer by 1. Then we also change the mark by what? The mark 2 mark, because this set to 2 marks, so we change the mark by 2. Change the total mark score by 2. Then we say something to the feedback to them, say what something is correct or not correct. So you say something. Say is look. Say something. Say something. Say excellent. Excellent. For 2 seconds. So we try to save this one and run, debug it whether correct or not. So enlarge the screen, then run. For each correct answer is 2 marks. Then give the total number of questions in this quiz. Let's say 2 questions. Enter. Then 50 plus 26. Answer should be what? 84. You check. 84. Enter. They say excellent. This is correct part. Then again, next question. 127. Enter. Excellent. Then the total number of marks score is 4. Total correct answer is 2. So this is the correct part. Correct. Then else is when the answer is wrong, we do what? You wanted to say something, answer is wrong, we say something to them. Say, the answer is wrong, we say something. We say the answer is wrong for 2 seconds. So we tell them the correct answer. Tell them the correct answer. The actual answer is answer for 2 seconds. Then we change the what? Wrong answer by wrong answer by 1. Okay, then if we save this out, try to debug it, see what our record right correctly or not. It will run. Total correct mark is 2 answers. Give total number of questions in this quiz. Let's say I get 3. Calculate 1 plus 34, 65. 65. Excellent, correct. Then 34 plus 14. Let's say put the wrong answer. Wrong answer. Answer they will put wrong answer. 65. Enter. They say the answer is wrong. The actual answer is 48. Then calculate again. 3 questions ma. 35. The answer is wrong also. The answer is 91. We stop it. The correct under this part is still correct. So we want to repeat how many times also can. 10 times what time also can. So now we will do what? We repeat, then we will do finally we do our mark. You say how many mark we answer? We say no. We do it first. We need to change something. We need to change what? Our current question. Change current question. Upgrade to current question is by 1. Change the current question by 1. Answer this question already. Then go to next question. Set the tally says the current question they never change. 6 to 1. This one current question is supposed to be set to 1. Then total answer set to 0. And we say something. We join. We say your score is you have total correct answer. You have how many questions wrong? How many questions right? Total correct answer right? Total correct answer. Total correct answer. Is it not? Then you say again. Then we say their score. How many questions they correct? Then their score. How many points they have scored? Your point is your point are total number of mark score. Total mark score. Your point are then join. Operator still join. Total mark score. Mark. Your point are 5. So we try to save it. We run full set. So we start this again. Each correct answer is 2 marks. Then total quiz. Let's say we give to 5 questions. We enter. So 93 plus 7 is what? First question. Number 1, number 2, answer. The answers will be 170. You see the total number of questions, this our key is 5. The correct answer, we haven't answered any question. Total wrong answer, still 0. Total mark score, 6. Total mark score, we have to delete this one. Total mark score, haven't reset yet. Total mark score is, I haven't set yet. So we set another one to here. Total mark score set to 0. That is correct. We forget here something. We run it. Each correct answer is 2 marks. Give total number of questions in this quiz. 6 questions. Enter. So 34 plus 36. 34 plus 36. Number 1, number 2, answer is 70. So the total number of questions is 6. Total correct answer haven't answered yet. Wrong answer also no. Total mark score still 0. Current question is number 1. Question number. So the answer to be 70. So you put 70 in here. So if we enter, we check what the answer is. The answer is excellent. The answer is correct. So next, so the total correct answer is 1. So total mark score is 2. So now the question is number 2. Number 1 and number 2. 57. Next, answer 57, correct? Correct answer. Excellent again. So the number, correct answer is 2. Mark score 4. Current question is 3. This 23 plus 44 is 67. So you put wrong answer, 80. Wrong answer, see what happened? The answer is wrong. So it tells you the actual answer is 67. So the wrong answer will be increased by 1. So now next, the total mark score still 4. So the current question now is 4. Number 4, question number 4. So we calculate this one. 23 by 85. 108. Excellent. Correct. The correct answer. The test until we wrong. 148. It's wrong answer. This is a wrong answer. So we tick it. The answer is wrong. So the answer is 160. So now question number 6. After question number 6, they will tell me display all this. Now this one is 9 plus 69. 9 plus 69 is 78. So you put wrong answer, 80. So the correct answer will be 3. Wrong answer will be 3. Point will be 6. The answer is wrong. And the answer is 78. Then you got 3 correct answer. Your point is 6. Your point is 6. Okay. So if this current question in question 6, this still 6 in case, so we have to do one more step. You want to eliminate this one, you do one more step in here. We change the current question by -1, -1. So we save again. So you have to repeat debug again. You can do debugging. Now this one we put to some more higher. Let's save it. And last, then run. The correct answer is 2. Then give total number of questions in this quiz. Then we give 3. 3 questions, they become 3. Reset all, and then current question number 1. 3 part 100. The answer is 100. You put 100, 103. 103 is say correct. You choose the one question number correct answer 1. Mark score 2. Current question number 2. So this is 72. Answer 72. We put to 32. Wrong answer. See wrong answer. The answer is wrong. The answer is 72. So wrong answer increased by 1. The current question number 3 is the last question. 118. 118. The correct answer. Excellent. You say you have 2 correct answer. 2 correct answer. Then 4 marks. Then the current question now is still in 3. Last question, no, total question 3. Last question is also 3. So we have solved the program easily, the addition. Now I want to teach you one more thing. So this one is addition. Do addition. How we want to let it do subtraction? To do subtraction, either we change this one using this operator, in here. In here, change this one and change this one, or we can right click here. Stop. So we can right click here, choose minus here. Minus. See not? Say minus. Change minus. Minus. Then we save the what? Save the file as what? Subtraction. We put OK. With subtraction. Now I do subtraction. You check whether correct or not. The correct answer is 2 marks also. Give the total number of questions in this case. We group 4 questions. 44 minus 30. Answer is what? 14. Answer 14. Subtraction now. See check what correct or not. The answer is correct. Excellent. Then 38 minus 59. Answer is minus 51. So if you put minus 51, the answer should be what? Correct. If this one put wrong answer, the correct answer is minus 34. If put wrong answer, minus 36. What happened? You will solve. The answer is wrong. Tell you the correct answer, minus 24. So last question, 15. Answer is correct. So we got 3 correct answer. You have 3 correct answer, 6 points. The score is 4. So minus also can. Then how about change to multiplication and what? We change to multiplication. Multiply is this one. Change to multiplication. So number 2 lah. So we choose small number 1, not small number. 10. One small number. Number is 2 lah. So choose 10. Number 10. So save it. Save as. multiply. So we see do multiplication, right? See what the multiplication. The correct answer is 2 mark, still 2 mark. Total number of question left, we get three questions. 10 times 4, 40 answer. So we get 40. See what happened? You say excellent, correct. Then 8 times 5, we get 30. So answer is wrong. The answer is 40. So this one said about 28. You got 28 is what? Excellent, correct answer. So we got 2 correct answer, then 4 points. This is multiply. So how about division? Division we can division either can do here. Do this one, or we can change in using this 4 lah. Using this 4. Now if we and the first way is we can right click, then do the division here. Then do the division here, change the symbol to division. Then we found save as. Division. So now we check whether division is correct or not. Division because it got decimal point. So if it's more it's 2 now, it got decimal point. So its correct answer is 2 marks. So give total, we got 3 questions only. 10/3 is what? Let's say about 3.3. Answer is what? Answer is wrong. Because decimal point, answer is 3.33, many decimal points. So this time more, we put 0.8. Obvious, 0.8. And you think you got excellent, okay. Then 7.4, 1 point. This one, you go round up. So you see the correct answer, round up error. You got round error. The answer is wrong, you round up. 1.75, put 1.75. You have 1 correct answer. Okay. So class, any question? Now open to Q&A. Any question? All of you are welcome to join Utah FIC internship if you want to study programming. All of you are welcome to join.
Dr. Ooi, I have one question. How do I download Scratch, your version, and why you think Scratch can do a quiz? How about the security platform?
This one, you go, you want to show the website. The website. Let me see there. I show the website. Scratch. You go to website. You go to Scratch. SCCRACH. Scratch. Scratch. So Scratch download. See that or Scratch. There is Scratch. MIT. Scratch MIT here. Scratch project. We can go to this Scratch. Scratch. So we can start creating, or you can join. Let's see if you have an account, you start creating. This MIT done for MIT project. Start creating. This Scratch. This is online. So this is online Scratch. Same on this online. We close this one. Online. This online Scratch. You can do here online. Go to here, Scratch, then Scratch image program share. This is online. You go to online program. After you do this one, let's say I do simple one. Control. We click. Where click? When click the sprite. This sprite do what? Right, do go to motion. It glide to glide to random position. Glide 2 seconds. Right in 2 seconds to random position. To mouse pointer. Let's say to then get to let's say then this one and then we run it. Let's run it. To is glide to random position. You see it glide. Glide is move slowly to 3 seconds to here. Simple program. You know, this is online. You can use online. Or you can choose here. Then run. Simple program like this, right? Simple program. Or you can choose.
Dr. Ooi, I know this project is effort from the Ministry of Education to ask the school to implement Scratch to do some evaluation, right? Yeah, secondary school, not primary school.
Primary school also can primary and secondary.
Yeah,
primary,
but how what is your thinking? What do you think about using Scratch in terms of security? Is the student going to enjoy? Because you already you are a certified trainer, right? For this program, right? So so what is your idea about this?
My idea is if the student really want when they go to career after getting from university, they want to go to programming. Do programming is good way for you to learn programming from beginning to build their strong foundation before start to further IT. Because now in 21st century the programming language is very advanced. So we must start at beginning in the early childhood, like in primary. Then if nowadays we can just and then further strengthen in secondary and university. We start at primary school. Better still learn from primary school. Because they got any in MDEC they got other like Python they got Python like PyAcademy. Last time they got Kido code to let children learn how to code Python. Now this one also language about it's called Scratch programming.
Dr. Ooi got a few questions in the chat. Can you check?
Oh, few questions in the chat. Let me see. Let me check. Go to the chat. Chat. Chat don't need can use online. We can use online. Hi, can I know where is there sign out and evaluation form? This evaluation form not sent by the person in charge to you all. Will the people attempting quiz able to see the correct answer for the quiz? Yes, we can see the correct answer for the quiz now. So correct answer here, this one. Let's say we choose. Let's say file. We open a new one. Let's say we open addition one. Addition let me run. Correct answer. Then let's say answer we got two answer. 9 part 97. The correct answer is 106. Correct answer. So it's 106. It's that. It says correct. Excellent. Correct. Second question 41 answer. Here. So here. Answer is so here. Answer. Excellent. Okay. You have two correct answer. Let me see any question. How can school deploy quiz using Scratch platform? This one, MDEC they got organized workshop for secondary and primary teachers to go to course and then teach them how to use computational thinking to teach programming. The platform they use in MDEC, they propose Scratch and Python to teach secondary and primary school. Python and Scratch. So it's a good teaching tool, but is it a viable option to do software programming or game with Scratch, or it's better to use Scratch? Game design, Scratch also can use game design. Scratch, you see, many games. Let's say I show you my game design. I design game. Let me show you design. I open my one. Game, let's say one type of game. I have to go to my folder first. I show you game design. You want the same game? I show you one game design. Game design. Game design using this one. Game is one game. Let's say simple game. This one. Simple game. So the monkey, when click start, monkey should be go to here. So we give arrows to travel the mouse. See, they can move the mouse. We give arrow. This if they bang on the wall they will sound, alert sound. If they go bang the wall, they will go to sound. They bang the wall, they got sound. If go to where we give arrow key, then we go enter. They got sound. They bang the wall, they got sound. Then they move. And move like this. We can move until you get banana. Get the banana. This simple game. This is simple game. Many games you can create using Scratch. This is one type simple game. One type simple game we can create. You can create using online also Online here. The Scratch. Online Scratch. Online Scratch. You can online using here. So you answer. If that the quiz, you say open. No. Let's say you addition. Let's say you don't see this answer to them. You don't see the answer to them. Then you what? You don't show the answer here, You just take this one away, Just take this one away. Just take this one away. Just take this one away. Then you take this one. So then you take this one. Then you stop the quiz. You run the quiz. It's up to answer. Then that's it. 3 questions. No, wrong here. You open addition. Answer so you join say answer to number. This one. This one, take this one away. This one. No. Other. Let me delete. How to delete this one? Open. Let me delete now. Very difficult. Delete wrongly. I did wrongly. So let me see the correct answer.
No, I think the question from Cheong is that when we attempt the quiz, we can just copy the answer, right?
So we just delete the answer. I want to delete the answer to them. I just saw to compare only. I just saw them to compare. You want to delete the answer also can. I try to delete the answer.
Oh.
Just delete the answer part. Well, I just saw how to
No,
delete.
you don't have to delete. You can just hide the answer.
Hide the answer. Just hide the answer.
Yeah.
But kita hide the answer. I
Yeah.
want to show them how to hide. I just show them how to hide. How to hide? Let me check. Hide the answer is where programming is where? Hide the answer. Let me check.
There, this one, the say join the actual answer is
This one this one they want to remove this one.
Yeah.
This one where show answer where show. Then I remove this line.
Yeah.
Remove
Okay,
this
I think you are clear. You can actually remove the answer.
Remove this one. Remove this line. You want remove this line. You can remove this line. Let me remove this line. Let me see. So answer. Total there's three questions. Still answer. Then the is what we did is 105. The answer is wrong. The answer is actually 0. Answer is we set to want to hide the answer. This one set to 0, then hide the answer. And we open now. I know how happen. We open again. Let's see. I think we set this one. Remove this one. Let me see. Remove this one or not. Correct answer. So it's 2. It's second up. 42, 78. Let me see the answer is what? Let me run first. Answer 2. This one wrong answer. This show the answer already. But this one later, but still this one. Sunday, where you got send answer? So where is the answer? We drag this one out. This one to here. Run. To correct answer. 2 question. This is what? So 49. We took 49. Wrong answer, sir. That's it, sir. That is, oh, 49. This one, 53. Wrong answer. 53 wrong answer, no? This 78. I have to remove. So, we plus join and read answer. We must set the answer first. Oh, must set the answer, won't set the answer.
Yeah, Dr. Ooi, I think the debugging we leave it to you lah. Roughly,
Ah,
we know we can hide the answer lah. So
ah.
yeah, maybe you want to end the session with some remark or closing.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. If you are interested in programming, all our Utah faculty staff, I guess I very welcome you all to start to join our Utah if you are interested in programming, especially IT. So IT programming nowadays is modern life. We need to study programming properly because everywhere we go, we need to use a lot of IT technology, especially in software development and program like app, website, and so on. Like the smartphone, tablet, all this use IT programming. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much.
Hello all. This is Miss Lee. I'm also from Utah, and we would like to thanks for Dr. Ooi the insightful sharing. It's really benefit to us, and I just attached the sign out form and also evaluation form for your attention. Please kindly fill up the form before you leave this group. But at the same time, I also would like to share that we have another few IT webinars in coming weekend. So I also sent the link in the chat box. Kindly feel free to join us. Thank you.